friends. Welcome back to the vlog on our trip to Kohlarn, Thailand. One of the island beaches that we visited. So getting here, as you see, from Pattaya, we took a using Bolt app a taxi to Bali High Pier, and we took a ferry. This is the ferry. It's a $30 baht. I'm putting up the schedule. They follow the timings very strictly, so we had to miss one of the ferry and take the next one. Hi Neil, where are you going?
We are going to the floating market.
Where? Shopping market?
No, floating market.
Floating market? No,
Market.
no. You're going to the
I know.
beach.
We're going to the beach on an island. But we have to wait for 1 entire hour. And we are on a boat. Yeah. We're on a ferry boat. We were 2 minutes late on the other boat. Hi, I'm just eating some fries like Neil. Say hi, Neil. Hi.
So as the kids were saying, we were 2 minutes late. We missed the 12 p.m. ferry, so we had to take the 1 p.m. ferry. It was a long wait. It was hot. Luckily, we had taken a lot of snacks, a lot of water, juices. So the kids kept themselves busy and finally went to sleep. But you see, the ride itself is it's very pleasant. It's very slow. It's very relaxing. So it's appropriate for any age group, older people. It's very easy to get in and get out, and it takes overall 40 minutes. So as you see, we are reaching the Taiwan beach. That's where we wanted to go. Hi Neil, what are you doing? How many shells you found?
Like 5.
Oh,
And I'm leaving one to find 6. I got 5.
The beautiful beach of Taiwan never disappointed us. As you can see, the white sand. It gives a very good, like a unique feel of being over there. There are a couple of beaches to choose from. I'm putting up the map here. The Tawan beach gets more crowded because that's where the ferry stops. You can easily take like a motorbike, or you could take a tuk-tuk, or you have many modes of transport to go to the other beaches. A lot of people go to Coral because it's famous for like the water sports. They do some water sports here too, but we were not into that. And if you do end up doing them, be careful to negotiate. Overall, we spent a lot of times. We rented out these places where you could just sit for around 50 or 100 baht per day. They can get the food to your place. But yeah, it was a time definitely well spent, surrounded by mountains around, where you can just watch the kids play in the water. We ended up missing our ferry back because we were late. However, we got a motorbike to the other beaches and then we were headed back. Hi guys.
Hi.
How was your day?
Good. Crazy.
Why was it crazy?
It was crazy because we went on a motorcycle. Almost missed this ferry boat.
And then what would have happened?
We would be stuck here. Yeah. Tomorrow.
But don't you want to be stuck in Thailand?
No. And also, that's good, but it's not me. And we're in, I like it. And we're in Thailand. Yeah. No. And we go to Ireland. And Ireland is on the 10th floor. Yep.
We were finally relieved to be back on the return ferry. They do have a lot of ferries from other beaches, so in case you do end up missing doing the same thing that we did, definitely go to another pier. They also offer the speedboat. It was a day well spent. I would say probably better than the Pattaya beaches. It definitely gives you a very beautiful feel with the nature around. These are the views as we get back to the Pattaya city. Again, it takes around 40 minutes, like the morning ferry that we had taken. But overall, a day well spent, and definitely must recommend place to go if you're in Pattaya or Bangkok. Thank you for watching this vlog. Bye bye.
Big video. Hello, friends. We went on the boat. We went to the beach.
We went in this boat.
We were in Thailand. And we visited the mountain and we got the temple. Neil, be careful, you might fall.